Hey, dude. Where'd you go? How you doing? Think we're gonna change your name to Leatherface. Come here. Come say hi. Show everybody how good you are. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're such a sweet boy now, aren't you? Aren't you? You're a sweet boy. Don't bite my finger. Come here. Come say hi. Oh, that's a good boy. You doing pretty good? You're still a little battered? Hi. Who's that? Hi. Hi, love. Oh, yes. Hanging in there, huh? Huh, buddy? Huh. Yeah, you're a real fighter, dude. Hey, buddy. Hey. Over here. What you do? What you doing, man? Oh, yeah. That's a sweet boy. You're a good boy, huh? Yes, you are a good boy.